Flutter kicks. Kick him, kick him, kick him, kick him. Scissors, so you gotta do the same thing, but they're gonna go all the way up and down. Kick him out, tuck him in.
Do you feel hot as Nelly Furtado?
Yeah. Like what? Hold those legs about 3 or 4 inches off the ground. I want your hands on your head, but keep those feet up off the ground. And start crunching it up. And those abs and hip flexors. Get those shoulders up. Come on. We're almost done. Let's go.
Oh.
10, 5. Hold it in and relax.